Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view queue on Soundcloud application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So in my case, as you can see, I'm using Brave application. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. It could be possibly working for you or suits you or you like maybe. So of course, such as Google Chrome, Opera, and Brave like me, maybe Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, if even working for you that. Okay, so after you of course open the application or the browser, you will just need to type SoundCloud and then hit the enter button. And of course, you'd like to enter the first link or the first website. So as you can see here, first of all, and before start using the application, you'd like to go and of course create your account. If you don't have an account, simply you can of course link your account with the Gmail if you don't want to go through all the steps of creating an account. And of course, if you do have an account, all you need to do just go log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So wait, first of all, it seems like you don't see all of it. Let me just fix a bit. Okay, it seems all good now. So of course, when you of course open and log in the application, that will actually be your home or your main screen. And here you'll find maybe the recent queues you played, the most, the mix for you. Anyway, if you go here and as you can see, go to whatever like playlist you'd like to see, and of course you can just click on them. So for me, that is my the last playlist that I listen to. So if I click on it, of course, if let me just lower the volume. So of course, if you want to see the music on the queue of your playlist, all you need to do simply is click in here. Of course, do not click on the name, do not click on the name of the singer, and do not click off the name of the song. Please make sure to click here on this white area. So if you click here, sorry, I clicked, it seems like I click on it. So you will need to click on this area, or if that doesn't work for you, would like to click here at the next tab. So if you click on that, as you can see, you will find all the songs on the queue, and of course you can even delete, remove it from the queue if you want, and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.